Now ready to listen to మా లోక నాయకుడు ఉలగ నాయకన్ కమల్ హాసన్ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము సార్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. I congratulate Mr. Mani Ratnam. His Telugu has improved. ముందు సింప్లీ నమస్కారం మాత్రమే చెప్పేవారు, ఇప్పుడు అందరికీ అని ఒక మాట యాడ్ చేశారు. సో హిస్ తెలుగు has improved, but his direction is also improved, which is surprising, which will surprise you. It doesn't surprise me for you, because I know that an artist like him will have to evolve, and that's what he has done. And I'm happy to meet this Mani Ratnam. I was happy to meet that Mani Ratnam. Now I got ready to meet this Mani Ratnam, and I met him. I have evolved to meet him. So the delay is, let me not blame him, it's because of me, because I had to evolve. And when I was sure, then we worked together, because I wouldn't like to be left behind. We've always traveled together, and that's what we are doing. And she asked me a question. Very soon, whenever it is mutually convenient, we will do a film. ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడిన వారు అందరూ ద్రోణ గురు అన్నారు. ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఎనీ టీచింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ మీ, బికాజ్ ఐఎమ్ అ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ సినిమా. నేర్పటానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉండాలంటే ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవాలి. నేను నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను, మీరు నాతో పాటు కలిసి నేర్చుకోండి కావాలంటే. కానీ నన్ను మాత్రం ద్రోణ అంటే ఆల్ యువర్ థమ్స్ ఆర్ ఇంటాక్ట్. we are looking for another thumb, a green thumb, and that is Mr. Mani Ratnam. Because he is a gardener, constant gardener. And that's what I like about him. And I'm a gardener too. How constant. I go out, take a holiday, and when I come to Mr. Mani's film and to act, I don't have to act, I have to just behave. But with others, I misbehave on request. So I'm happy to be here with Mani Ratnam. It's very rare. Their population is decreasing, so I want to huddle closer with them, and that's what we'll do. See, there are fans for actors. I like this actor, I like this actor, and they're fanatic about it. We are fanatic about good cinema. We won't let it down. We are fans, and we can't whistle and clap. That we leave to you, but we will carry our cinema on our shoulder, and that's what we are doing. And we look forward to many shoulders, and that's what we got here. Strong actors and great performers, all of them. And as Nazar garu cheppinattu, I have seen him thinner than this. All-round actor anedi papam, he took it to heart and he became all-round. But we have traveled a long distance, but we hug each other when we see, but we don't say too much to each other. We talk behind each other's back. And people who listen to that go and inform him. And people who listen to him come and inform me. So we exchange appreciation through somebody else. This has been going on for many years. తనికెళ్ళ భరణి గారు మిస్ అయిన ఛాన్స్ గురించి చెప్పారు. మాకు మిస్ అయిన ఒక ఛాన్సు ఇంద్రుడు చంద్రుడు. హీ వాజ్ సపోజ్ టు రైట్ ద డైలాగ్ and we couldn't, so we brought Crazy Mohan garu, and he and I wrote it, and it was translated into Telugu. I wish I had met you then it would have been even a stronger friendship, and you would have written more films for us. Now not that we miss him, he's a great actor also, but you should continuously keep writing, sir. డబ్బు వస్తుందండి, బట్ ఇలాంటి రైటర్స్ దొరకడం కష్టం. అండ్ the confidence about which Mr. Ashok Selvan was talking about, he has to be humble on a stage with seniors, but he is very confident. The same confidence I saw in Mr. Nazar, I see in him. And that is a compliment. And you'll have to keep deserving many more compliments like this. And this, అందరూ చెప్పారు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి నేను ఈయన పిక్చర్ చూస్తూ పెరిగాను అని. నేను కూడా చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఈయన పిక్చర్ చూశాను. అంటే ఎవరు చిన్న వయసు అన్న అడగాలి కదా. ఈయన చిన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇంతవరకు చూస్తున్నాను నేను. He comes from an artist family. He is like me, a child of cinema. And that's why we understand each other. We don't know any other world. All that is just passing us. Like in a train journey, life passes by. Our only vehicle to reach you is cinema. And that's all we know. All that I know, he went to school, I think. I didn't. All that I learned was through cinema. The Tamil I speak, the Telugu I speak, the Malayalam I speak, and the acting I do, all was taught to me through cinema. And I'm very grateful. And that is why my doors were always open. Like he said, that's where I learned. That's why I like to introduce myself as a cinema buff and student all over again. Because I feel very embarrassed and uncomfortable and claustrophobic in the stardom you have given me. I'll keep trying to reach out to you in spite of the stardom, and it works most of the time when I do it from the heart. And that's wonderful. We all have done it like that. And Mrs. Pothraju here is, I wish he hadn't gone to America. But then, life is more important. But cinema missed you all those years. And I'm glad you came back and you're keen to act. It doesn't matter. You don't have to sing duets. Look at the performance here. And look at the romance there. It's fantastic. It is. Thanks to Mr. Maniratnam. He keeps thanking me, but it'll be like in marriage ceremonies, they make the couple put their hand and find the ring. We are doing that. We can't find enough thanks to offer. And it's great. Hasani garu married him later. We got married through cinema. So this is a fantastic team, and that's why we are celebrating it so much. This film doesn't need this much promotion, but I don't know when I'll get a film like this. So I'm promoting it with all my lung capacity. Not because I doubt this film, because I want it to be bigger than Nayakan, which I promise you, from what I have seen, it's going to be. And we are not thumping our chest, because our chest on the first day of shooting was thumping with excitement. It still continues, and we are eagerly waiting to see your reaction. We have seen it, maybe he has seen it 200 times by now, but all we are waiting to see eagerly is a point of view from here at you. And I hope, and about Telugu Prekshakalu, I was made in Kerala as a hero. I was made as a star in here. పుట్టిన ఇల్లు అన్నారు, స్టార్గా నేను పుట్టిన ఇల్లు ఇదే. Because this took me to Ek Duje Ke Liye, gave me finances to produce more good films. And I thank you for that. Not only you, and I'm so happy that another generation is still welcoming me into their arms, not just to come and with open arms. And I thank you for that. I'll always remember this with fondness. Somebody asked me, "Oh, you're not from Vizag?" I said, "No, I'm from Paramakudi." So they were quite disappointed. I loved that disappointment. I belonged. That's what matters. And I want to belong. So, Guru anakandi, gurtupettukondi chalu. Thank you. See Thug Life on 5th. And we made it with all the heart. And we are selling our wares. No shame in that. It's great work of art. Recognize it and buy it. And tell people so that it'll give us enough muscle to produce more works of art like this. Rahman sir, yes, of course. But he has already spoken. Jingucha is speaking to you. And that's Rahman for you. And
డైలాగ్స్ అడుగుతున్నారు సార్.
డైలాగ్ అక్కడ చూసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ సౌండ్ సిస్టమ్ అంత బాగా ఉండదు. అంటే మా హైట్ కానీ మా ఫేస్ కానీ మీకు అంత బ్రహ్మాండంగా కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే దట్స్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సినిమా అండ్ యాంగిల్స్ దీస్ పీపుల్ కీప్. వీఆర్ నాట్ దట్ టాల్. They make us more beautiful. The story makes us more heroic. And that's why, and he said how I just watched. He sounded like a National Geographic photographer. It doesn't matter, but he let us be. And he'll keep the meat where he wants us to move. And we'll move towards it, and he'll fix his shots like that. And that's the way he explains, everybody will tell you. And after the film, we'll have another session. We'll talk to Telugu Preshakalu and say and exchange our happiness with your happiness. Thank you.
సూపర్ గుడ్ న్యూస్ సార్. మళ్ళీ మనం కలవబోతున్నాము, అంటే సినిమా రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా కలవబోతున్నాం మనం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
తప్పకుండా థ్యాంక్ యూ.
కమల్ సార్ని ఇప్పటి వరకు ఎన్నో పాత్రల్లో చూసాము. పోలీస్ పాత్రలో చూసేసాము, గ్యాంగ్స్టర్గా చూసాము, థగ్గా చూసాము. కమల్ సార్, వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫికల్ట్ సార్, బీయింగ్ అ థగ్ ఆర్ క్యాచింగ్ అ థగ్?
See, catching a thug is more difficult. It takes 37 years.
So who is the thug?
Should I say?
చెప్పగానే చెప్పేశారు ఆయన. ముసి నవ్వులు నవ్వుతున్నారు. అండ్ కమల్ హాసన్ గారి సినిమాలోని ఎన్నో పాత్రలు మనందరికీ చాలా ఇష్టం. అయితే ఒక్కరోజు కనుక ఒక క్యారెక్టర్తో స్వాప్ చేసుకోగలిగినట్టయితే మీ పాత్రల్లోని ఏ పాత్రని మీరు ఎంచుకుంటారు?
Always. This film is my favorite. I have to forget this film. If it's too good, it'll take a long time. And that's what is going to happen with Thug Life. It's going to take a long time for me to get out of it. I don't need a psychiatrist to get out of this character. I need another character. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, that was Kamal Haasan garu for us. ఆయన చెప్పారు చాలా మంది యాక్టింగ్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి స్కూల్స్కి వెళ్ళారు అని, కానీ మాకు కమల్ హాసన్ గారే స్కూల్, కమల్ హాసన్ గారే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. యు ఆర్ ఇటర్నల్ సార్. జనరేషన్స్ విల్ కమ్ అండ్ గో, బట్ యూ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ స్టే అలైవ్ విత్ ద సినిమాస్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ మేడ్ అండ్ ద క్యారెక్టర్స్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ గివెన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.